Have you ever pulled a batch of cookies out of the oven only to have half of them stick to the pan? Or worse, have your cake crumble because the pan warped or wasn't truly nonstick? It's one of the most frustrating things about baking at home, and if you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. That's why the NutriChef Stackable Nonstick Baking Pan set caught my attention. Designed for home bakers who want professional-style results without the fuss, this 6-piece set promises nonstick reliability, durability, and space-saving convenience for all kinds of baking tasks. Right away, the set makes a strong first impression. It includes a cookie sheet, a wide baking pan, a square baking pan, an oven muffin pan, a bread loaf pan, and a round cake pan, covering almost every baking need from cookies to muffins to loaves and cakes. The pans are stackable, which makes them easy to store even in a crowded kitchen, and they all have that sleek, commercial-grade look that hints at quality without being overly flashy. The carbon steel construction feels sturdy and substantial in your hands, and the double-coated non-stick finish ensures that even delicate baked goods release cleanly. In terms of performance, these pans deliver exactly what you want in everyday baking. The nonstick coating is PTFE/PFOA/PFOS-free, so it's safe and designed to handle high heat without flaking or peeling. I tested the cookie sheet with both chocolate chip cookies and sticky cinnamon rolls, and every single batch slid right off without any scraping or greasing. The muffin and loaf pans are equally impressive. The batter spreads evenly and nothing sticks to the edges. Even after multiple uses, the pans maintain their smooth surface, and cleanup is as simple as a quick rinse or a run through the dishwasher. Durability is another key advantage. Unlike cheap bakeware that bends or warps after a few trips to the oven, the NutriChef pans are designed to withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The carbon steel construction, in plus the heat-resistant lacquer exterior, gives them commercial-grade resilience. Whether you're baking in a standard oven, convection oven, or even a toaster oven, these pans hold their shape and provide consistent results. That reliability is huge when you're trying to nail a recipe for the first time or when baking multiple batches for a party. The pans also feel thoughtfully designed in terms of usability. Handles on the wider pans are bold-colored and textured for a secure grip, which makes it easier to move hot pans without slipping or dropping. The stackable design is perfect if you're short on cabinet space, and having a complete set means you don't have to hunt for matching pieces when baking a variety of treats. Of course, no product is perfect. While the nonstick coating is excellent, it's still wise to avoid metal utensils to extend the life of the surface. Some users may also wish for even deeper pans for certain recipes like deep dish lasagna or layered cakes. But for most home baking and everyday cooking, these pans cover nearly every essential need. Compared to other sets in the same price range, NutriChef stands out because it combines versatility, durability, and stackable storage in one package, a surprisingly rare combination. Who is this bakeware set best for? It's perfect for home bakers, parents who cook and bake regularly, or anyone trying to streamline their kitchen tools without sacrificing quality. It's also a smart gift for someone moving into a new home or upgrading their kitchen. If you tend to bake multiple items at once or struggle with pans sticking and warping, this set could save both time and frustration. Those who need ultra-deep pans or extremely specialized bakeware might want additional pieces, but for most households, this is a complete, ready-to-use set. After putting these pans through a variety of baking tasks, I'd give the NutriChef Stackable Nonstick Baking Pan set a solid 9.5 out of 10. They deliver professional-style results at home, clean up effortlessly, and the stackable design makes storage simple. Minor considerations like avoiding metal utensils or wanting ultra-deep pans don't outweigh the convenience, reliability, and non-stick performance you get every day if you want to upgrade your baking experience or get a full, versatile set for your kitchen. Check the link in the description to see the latest price. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more practical, honest kitchen product reviews. With the NutriChef Bakeware set, baking becomes less frustrating, more efficient, and far more enjoyable, whether you're making cookies, muffins, bread, or a cake for a special occasion.